Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can access cPanel and GoDaddy. First, let's open your GoDaddy account and make sure to log in. Before we start, note that the cPanel is only available in some paid subscription. So if you're using a free account, like me, you may not see this feature on your account, but I will still guide you on how to access your cPanel. And then from the top right corner, click your profile over here. On the drop-down, click on My Products, scroll down to the Web Hosting section, and click Manage on the right over here. This will take you to your hosting dashboard. From there, you can see cPanel Admin. Just click on that, and then you will now go to your cPanel account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.